Start பண்ணலாம். Good afternoon, students. Today's class we are going to discuss about the CO4 lighting fundamentals. The lighting fundamentals, main objective of this lighting fundamentals, we try to provide right quality of light and right quantity of light to the consumers. That is the main objective. Provide right quality and right quantity of light to the consumer. What is the meaning of right quality? A light quality, the amount of light which is provided in a room, that is called as light quality. The amount of light which is provided in a room or hall or any mall or theatre or anything, that is called as light quality. Here the unit of light, that is called as watts, and other unit which can be foot candle and lumens. There are three units that are available for light. One is watts, another one is lumens, another one is foot candle. Here the rate of energy consumption by a electrical device, that can be called as watts. The rate of electrical energy consumption by means of a particular electrical device, that is called as watts. And foot handle means how much light energy which will reaches the working plane, how much light energy which will reaches the working plane, that is called as foot handle or lumens. How much amount of light energy can be fall on the work plane, that is also called as lumens. And another important parameter in lighting, that is efficacy. The efficacy, that is the amount of lumens per watt from the energy source, that is called as efficacy. Amount of lumens per watts from the energy source, that is called as light or efficacy. The light source with high efficacy with low power, generally the efficacy that mainly focused with light source, the amount of lumens per watts from the energy source, that is called as efficacy. The light source normally with high efficacy and low power, generally we are having the general thing IES, that is illuminating energy source, that is called as IES, that is a standard. And the light quality, it can be different moods can be created by means of lighting system. The different moods can be created by means of lighting system. Normally the appropriate light quality which can be assigned for a particular task, we can choose the appropriate light quality for a particular task. For example, we should choose particular light quality in a classroom or home or entertainment room or mall, jewelry shop and textile shop and street. We can use some sodium vapor lamp or mercury vapor lamp, and indoor outdoor stadium, in cricket stadium or tennis stadium we have to use particular type of light quality. And jewelry shop, we try to focus the jewel, we try to attract the consumer. And also in textile shop, we try to attract the customer by purchasing the dresses. We can choose particular type of LED lighting by attract the consumer. The various types appropriate light quality mainly for particular task. Either the light quality can be varied, depends upon the mall or textile shop or jewelry shop or street, indoor stadium, outdoor stadium, etc. The various types of lighting quality. The lighting quality can be normally uniformity and color rendering index, then glare and coordinated color temperature, CRI and CCT. The four types are available. Normally uniformity. The uniformity is one of the property of light quality. The uniformity, how evenly the light spread over an area, and it can apply to the large areas. Suppose we apply light to the large areas, so many waste, the large amount of waste can be take place in the system. so that it can cause some large amount of waste of energy can be take place. The next parameter is glare. Glare is a sensation which can be caused by relating some bright object, which can be object which is occupant field of view. Normally sensation which can be caused by means of relatively bright object in the occupant field of view. For example, a car, we can take a car beam light which can causes the glare to the drivers during night time. Car beam, suppose we drive a car at night time, the car beam light that is also causes some glare to the driver in opposite direction. Then color incredible, which can influence on the light quality. The color incredible, that is another important parameter which can influence the lighting quality. And we can choose CRI and CCT. CRI already our color rendering index, and CCT, that is coordinated color temperature. Normally describe the color of light source, which can be coordinated the color temperature. The CCT and CRI mainly describe the color of light source and the coordinated light temperature. The color of light source which can be varying, that is also now used in Brindavan, the dancing light, which can be done with the help of color changing the light source automatically, which will give more beautiful, attract the customers. The various types of lightings are available. One is incandescent lamp, it's an ancient lamp you already have, which is having some tungsten filament. This type of lamp initially invented by means of Thomas Alva Edison. It emit more amount of heat which can be taken as the loss, so that we go for CFL lamp or a fluorescent lamp or tube light. The fluorescent lamp you already aware, it is having the filament which can be connected with both choke and as well as starter. In tube light, that is having mercury vapors can be created at high pressure, so that automatically the light will glow. The voltage can be step up with the help of step up transformer, the choke which is available. It can be initiated by means of starter, that is the basic principle of tube light already available. And normally the ballast which is available for initiating the light startup, and electronic ballasts are available which can be normally the energy efficient lamps are now used with the help of electronic ballast. Normally long life and high intensity discharge can be take place with the help of this tube light. Normally the tube light, they have 40 T12, that is the range. Another type of lamp, that is sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp. Normally street we can use the sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp, and stadium also we can use both sodium and mercury vapor lamp. And focus light which can be used in hotels to focus the tree and focus the areas which will cover. And also metal halide lamp, high pressure metal halide lamp. High power application we go for the sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp, and also focus light in hotels and gardens, and also metal halide lamp and high pressure metal halide lamp, which can be normally used in both industry as well as other hotels and other consumers can be used. The basic idea about the entire lighting fundamentals. Thank you, students.